Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the Whirlpool washer error F03 E01, a pesky issue that's been popping up in 2025 models. If your washer is flashing this code and refusing to drain, don't panic. We've got you covered with simple, step-by-step solutions. First off, let's break down what this error means. The F03 E01 code typically signals a problem with the water drainage system. It often points to issues like a clogged drain hose, a faulty pump, or even low water pressure. This error can halt your wash cycle, leaving you with a machine full of soggy clothes, which is super frustrating, right? To start troubleshooting, begin with the basics. Unplug your washer for safety, then check the drain hose for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten it out if needed and ensure it's not clogged with lint or debris. Next, inspect the pump filter. It's usually located at the bottom of the machine. Remove it, clean it thoroughly, and put it back. This simple step resolves the issue about 50% of the time. If that doesn't do the trick, run a quick diagnostic cycle. On most 2025 Whirlpool models, you can do this by pressing specific buttons. Check your user manual for the exact sequence. While you're at it, verify that your home's water pressure is adequate. Sometimes, it's as easy as checking your plumbing. In more serious cases, you might need to replace the drain pump or a sensor. Don't worry, parts are widely available online, and there are plenty of tutorials if you're up for it. Always remember to wear protective gloves and consult a professional if you're unsure. There you have it, your guide to conquering the F03 E01 error. By following these steps, you'll have your washer spinning smoothly again in no time. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fixes, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.